Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, I received a couple of items or products or gadgets from Aliexpress, and let's start with the first one. And I'm gonna tell you why I ordered this one and what is it. It's a 3-in-1 soldering iron tips cleaning box with steel brush, sponge, copper wire, 3 cleaner modes, and it costs around $5 from Aliexpress. And it's also a silicone, which is nice material. And here it is. By the way, everything comes in one big package, but I need to open it. Sorry for that. Okay. And here it is. A silicone 3-in-1 cleaning box for the tip of the soldering iron. Right, so we have this steel brush where you can clean your iron tip right here. And also we have this sponge, copper sponge. How to open? Okay. Ooh, nice. I'm gonna place it just like this. Beautiful. And they include this small this is also a sponge, but you need to put some water on this so you can clean your iron tip, and it's small and I don't know why it's so deep. Maybe I need to fill it. By the way, it's the same and it fits my silicone pad with the same color, which is pretty nice. All the links will be in description below so you can check them. And take a look what I received. But I received the wrong one. I ordered the wrong transparent case for CYD, the cheap yellow display module. One of the frames that is for the top, it fits, it's okay, but the bottom piece, it's wrong. Take a look. Doesn't fit the connectors. So what I can do, maybe I can cut some holes and modify this. I will decide later. Oh, why? Okay, no problem. Okay, the next thing is that I order a new 80 watts soldering iron tip for my soldering station. This one, this is 80 watts but have a different tip on the top. Let me show you. Oh, nice. Where is my handle? Oh, here it is. I received my QUICKO T12-942 soldering station with this soldering tip. So I don't like it, and I order another one which is much better, so you can see it. And take a look how easy it is to replace it. Okay, removing, adding the new one, just like this, and voila, finish it. I replaced the soldering tip. Now I have more sharper on the top, and I have a full video review for this beautiful QUICKO soldering station that works on 24 volts. Sorry, it works from 19 to to 24 volts, so you can use a power adapter that gives 19 volts to power this thing. And I have already opened it so I can see what is inside. Not much. And why I open? Because I want to make something like this to combine old stuff. Let me show you. So the soldering station case, I need to add right here a holder for the soldering iron to be like this. Okay, and this one will go from the other side, maybe we're gonna figure out. And also I have this portable power supply, adjustable power supply, that is powered by drill battery, and I want to combine this one to add the soldering station on top, right, just like this, to add the holder for the soldering iron on the right side, from the left side maybe here to attach the cleaner. And one more thing, I also if it's possible, to add my talking multimeter on top, so I will have a portable multi-functional device with a power supply, with a soldering station, and with a multimeter, everything to be just like this. What do you think? Please comment below, tell me some idea. Should I make another case or attach it everything with screws? I don't know, but everything will be powered by the drill battery on the bottom. Okay. And what we have here, for around $10 of course, from Aliexpress, you can get foldable metal holder for tablet. Yes, what it says, 360 rotatable tablet stand, adjustable foldable desktop stand, compatible from 4.7 to 12-inch for iPad Pro, Air, Mini, laptop, tablet, and it's all metal, which is pretty nice. And let's see it. Oh, a wrench. Okay, what are these? Oh, it's a rubber pads for the holder. Okay, and it's metal, which is pretty nice. How to open? Oh, yes, it's a 360 rotatable, and these silicone pads I need to attach right here on this, and maybe, oh no, I need to attach it right here so the tablet smoothly sits on the holder. So okay, let's do that. Okay. The first one. Whoa, I will. Nice. Okay, I attach all the silicone pads, and let's try it. Beautiful. Isn't that nice? A beautiful metal holder for tablets that is rotatable. I like it. And is it stable? Yes. Awesome. Okay, that was all for today's video, which was unboxing products from AliExpress that I needed. If you like this video, please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!